Ever wondered how to make your outgoing calls from Twilio look professional and avoid being flagged as spam? Today, we're diving into the essential skill of adding and removing verified phone numbers, or caller IDs, in Twilio. First, log into your Twilio account and navigate to the phone numbers section in the left-hand navigation menu. This is your command center for managing all your phone number-related settings. Next, click on Verified Caller IDs. Here you'll see a list of all the numbers you've already verified. To add a new one, hit the Add a New Caller ID button. A form will pop up prompting you to enter the phone number you want to verify. Make sure it's a number you can access immediately, as Twilio will send a verification code. You can also add a friendly name for easy identification, then click Submit. Twilio will then send a 6-digit verification code via SMS to the number you entered. Check your phone for the code. Back in the Twilio console, enter the verification code you received and click Verify. Congratulations, your number is now verified caller ID. Now, what if you want to remove a verified number? Simple, go back to the Verified Caller IDs page, find the number you want to remove, and click the delete icon next to it. A confirmation box will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Confirm, and that number will no longer be a verified caller ID in your Twilio account. And that's it. You've successfully added and removed a verified phone number in Twilio, helping you maintain professional and trusted communications. Be sure to check out our other Twilio tutorials for more ways to optimize your communication workflows.